Last night, during the time when Sonic Boom and Blades were sleeping, Sonic Boom was starting to dream about Blades. She was starting to get the feelings of how she was connected to him. Blades. Just then in his dream, when he heard her voice, he figured he knew what Sonic Boom was feeling by the time he woke up. Glad you're awake. I always needed you in any way. Hey, Sonic Boom. So did I. No matter what happens, we're always there for each other. Always there for each other. Yes, always in the best ways. What do you say we get going? Good idea. They got to know for what's gonna happen, but then he found something. Then they found something. Hey, look over there. What's that? What's that? What's that? Don't know. Come on, let's take a look. They had her and see what they were gonna find. And what they were gonna find was entirely up to them. Until they found and they figured they found a treasure chest. Amazing, a treasure chest. This kind of treasure chest is hard to crack. But it's simple enough. It's kind of strange. What do you mean by that? I don't know exactly. It's something that I'm getting strange feelings of. I'm starting to get the feeling that this is gonna be a tough one. They started shaking it. It was open. And there was untold riches that they could never even imagine. In this kind of house, they were able to collect and loot. Just then, something strange happened. They then found themselves in a strange place. Somewhere within reach, just somewhere else. Where things can be the cause of a new hero. Of a special someone they're looking for. That's what they want to learn for this cause. So by that they were off again. The expedition still leads in a cause of victory. To be continued.